Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode. Again, I will start a journey towards the seaside. It is my first time when I go there in, let's say, twice in 7 days, in 1 week. But it's more hassle and work than relaxation. I have to take care of something that is urgent, and it's just the way it is. I didn't manage to solve it last week when I was there. But I will enjoy the ride. The weather is beautiful. The summer season begins in 2 days. It will be on the 1st of May. And the weather is as it should be for this time. The nature has come back to life, and everything is beautiful in the light of the sun. Still, before I will leave, before exiting Brasov, I will make just a quick pit stop to get some fuel, some gasoline, despite the fact that I have a full tank of LPG. The gas is almost empty. And I believe you heard what happened lately in the western side of Europe with all those blackouts. Hopefully it will not happen here, but who knows, the ones that are in charge can do whatever they like. I would want to have at least at least half a tank of gasoline, in case the gas pumps will not work in the next days. I want to at least be able to get back home. But I really pray it will not be the case here. But this will only be a short detour. The gas station is in the right side, really close. can see the drivers with those vans with those yeah, whatever they are called, they go towards the seaside for sure. And I don't know if I will be as lucky as last time when the traffic was amazing on Valea Prahovei. You can see how packed it is right here. Of nowhere. Great. Guess I'll have to use the other pump, but it's perfect. Alright, so I'll be right back. Okay, so the gasoline tank is filled at 60%. It's better than empty. Let's get the show on the road. Tio. I have a lot of package with me, but all is good. guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, a beautiful day like this one, and I will see you in Breda. Take care wherever you are, and bye bye.